could activate Windows on your computer without entering a product key and remove the annoying activate Windows watermark that may be appearing right here where you see the mouse. So in this tutorial I will show you how to activate Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my Tech YouTube channel. If you get any problem, the comment section is open for you guys. I'm going to be helping you guys for free, and if you want to pay the services, you can access my about and get my WhatsApp number. I'm going to be helping you guys. So sometimes after installing Windows, let me show you what I have in the settings. Sometimes after installing these Windows on a computer, you may see activate Windows message at the bottom right here, at the bottom of your screen. This means that the operating system has not yet been activated. So in other cases the Windows isn't activated, stuff may be appearing right here as you see, and some people may click activate now and you will be asked a product key, right? So I'm going to be guiding you with a simple method that works for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So these are the requirements before starting. Make sure you have a Windows computer, an internet connection and administrator access on the PC. I'm going to be guiding with only one thing, but of the requirements I'm not going to be guiding you with any, because all requirements you must be having them: internet connection, Windows computer and administrator access on the PC. So step 1, you're going to come where we have this Windows icon, hope you are seeing, and then go to your mouse and then right click your mouse, and then you're going to go, we have two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2, which has a bracketed admin. Check the terminal 2, and then you're going to do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. Then after, wait for a few seconds. As you see, I'm going to try to expand this, and then after I'm going to enter this IRM small letters HTTPs. I'm going to be putting this link in the description if I get time. If I don't get time, cram it. HTTPs / get dot activated dot win, leave a space, and then an horizontal. We have a vertical, it is not horizontal line. What is happening? I don't know what is happening, but let me first copy this one. Let me first go back and then I redo all the changes. Yes, and then after I'm going to put the code back again. IRM HTTPs get dot activated a space, no, dot win a space. We are going to put, we have that vertical line, a space IEX in small letters, then check enter. Then wait for a few seconds. Make sure you have an internet connection. Right now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and give it some few seconds. As you see, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Give it some few seconds, it will load this page. I'll be pausing up, it is loading. I wanted to pause up the video, but it is loading. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, you are free to comment. I'm going to be helping you. Then after, I'm going to expand this page. So guys, let me expand. I want to expand. I'm expanding this page. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. You can save this video for watch later in your watch later playlist for future use. So I'm going to be seeing such a kind of stuff, choose option 1. But keep in mind that this tutorial is for research and education purposes only. Always use genuine Windows license from official Microsoft sources. Avoid downloading unknown activation tools from the internet because they may contain malware. So give it some few seconds so that it can be giving us something. It may be installing a product key in your laptop. These are the benefits of activating Windows. It removes the activate Windows watermark that may be right here, and it unlocks personalized features. It enables system updates, improves security and system performance. As you see, it is done, converted license, and we are now activating. Give it some time. As you see, it is activating. So if you don't activate your Windows, your software may crash. It may result into keyboards not working, mouse and other hardware devices not working. So ensure to activate, and these are the steps. Give it some time. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share. I'll pause the video for a moment because it may take some time. It is activating, still activating. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. If you want some paid services, you can access my WhatsApp number in the bio of this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. And also, if you want those free services, you can go to the comment section and then comment on this video. How can I help you? How have you failed to activate? As you see, my Windows 11 Enterprise multi-session is permanently activated with a digital license. Now they are restoring my Windows region and it's successful. Then I'm going to press any key to go back. So let me press any key. Let me press any key. And then let me minimize this one, minimize. And then I'm going to go in the settings to check whether it is activated. My Windows has been successfully activated. I'm no longer seeing the other thing that was right here. It is activated and I can also update my Windows. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. You can go to About PC and we check whether we are activated. About System, and then you can check About. You can go About and then we check. As you see, we are activated, guys. We are activated with a digital license, product and activation. As you see, activation status, Windows is activated. Thank you guys for following. I'm Maru's Tech. Subscribe for more.